Hi traders, how are you doing? This is Winnie Traders once again, and we're trying to prepare our trade or plan our trade ahead for the coming week. It's already a new week already, so we're just planning it for the time the market is going to open. So right in front of me here, so you can see I have the USDJPY market, an interesting USDJPY market, and this market majorly was still expecting this market, to retrace to this price event area before we sell down. Why do I call this area price event area? Okay, I'll take us back to this chart. I'll take us back to this side of the chart. If you can see at the left side, the market sold off at this left side, selling off towards this area. The market also showed the same bearish momentum also towards around that area, you can see. So the market pull back to that area. We are likely to sell around that area. Now let me take you to the monthly chart. Now zoom out on the monthly chart. If you can see that the market is really going on a bearish momentum. You take it down to the weekly. You can see on the weekly, the market is already on a bearish momentum, and if you can see around this area, the market sold off around this area, selling up to this area. Now the trend is in favor of us. Now the next thing we're looking at a level that is very strong, more likely a price event area. So the market sell off to this, pull back to this area, but then we're more likely to sell down to this area. So on the daily chart, this is how it looks. Then on the 4 hours time frame, this is how it looks. So around this area, the market can pull back around this area. Now in the daily chart, I can show you something interesting, that the market has started pulling back. You can see the market make a movement here, retraced, did not get back to that level, pull back again and broke this level. Now if the market also come back, the market is also more likely to also push forward, making a kind of a mini structure, a bullish mini structure back to that price event area. And if it does that, then we are likely to sell. So the market does that, we're likely to sell. So it's as simple as that. And also do not forget that risk management is the most important thing. Risk management is the most important thing. Do not risk in a trade or in a market what you cannot afford to lose. Risk money. You do not know the trade that's going to play out. You just execute the strategy and let the strategy play out itself. The next market we're looking at is the CHFJPY market. We're following this market, and let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see a better, clear vision of this. Okay, let me clean this line. Okay, so very interesting. You can see that this area is a very strong area. The market in this area pull back from this area downward. This is a very strong area. Now the market has retraced back to that area, and the market has reacted to that area with a bearish momentum. You can see with the bearish momentum. So what is the likelihood of wait for us to sell? Should we say when the market gets here, then we'll sell? See, like if the market gets it, then we'll sell. Down a bit, but there's a better area for us to sell, and that area is here. Yeah, so what do I see here? Now we'll look at the previous event, that's the history. The market got here. Okay, let me make it's a level, not a line. It's a level, not a line. Okay, yeah, around this level. When the market got here, the market pulled down to this level. You can see when the market pulled down to this level, the market reacted and came back here. When the market got here, the market pulled down to this level. Now it's also the same thing also on this right hand side. When the market gets here, the market also pulled down here. So where is this place? Let's check. You can see it's also working in tandem with the previous market movement. Market pull here, the market has gotten there. So now let's wait. Now is it going to get here? If it gets here and it shows us any sell signal, if we get there and it shows us any sell signal, If it gets and it shows us any sell signal, then what are we selling to? What did the market get before in the previous history? The market came down. So we're also looking to come down here. Yeah. Now while we're coming down, now you need to know that the general trend of this market has turned bearish. The general trend has turned bearish. The market has run for a long time on the weekly time frame, and the market is now going downwards. So because of that, that's what we are trying to solve. If the general trend is not bearish, then we are not trying to sell. It's because the general trend is bearish, that's what we're trying to sell. Okay, so there's an interesting fact about that. So we're waiting for the market to pull back to this area. So that's our plan for the CHFJPY on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and the other market we have is the EURAUD market. Okay, so very interesting also. Now this market, there are two opportunities in this market. There's a buy opportunity and also there's a sell opportunity in this market. But first, let's take a look at the buy opportunities. That's if the market shows us its card, then we'll buy. So looking in this market, that this market is showing a bearish pin bar. A bearish pin bar here. A weak bearish pin bar, not a strong one, a bearish pin bar here. And so what is this level and what is this level about? Now if you look at this level very well on this time frame, let's take a look at it. Let's zoom out. Now this level, if you can see here, that this level made market move up. So I bounced the market. The market came up, broke out of this level, retraced, showed an bearish bar, but looks so indecisive. Then before the market continue upward. Now this same level, let's come here. You see the same level also, and the market also broke out, came back. This level also, the market from here also move upward. So that is a buy opportunity. But if the market gives us a signal that is not clear, I'm more likely not to buy. If the signal here is not clear that the market is really want to push upward, I'm not likely to buy because there's still a lot of unclarity here at this area because of different candlesticks that are here. But if the market do show a very clear bullish pin bar, this area on a daily time frame or on the 4 hours time frame, then definitely I'll buy upward. Now if I buy upward, definitely more likely I'm selling down because of this massive downward movement here, So the market gets to this area, shows a sell signal or it shows an exhaustive bar. What's an exhaustive bar? Let me just educate us on that. This is an exhaustive bar. Let's go to the CHFJPY market. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, this is an exhaustive bar. When you see this bar that looks like a cross, zoom out that. This bar that looks like a cross here, is an indication that the current trend has exhausted and more likely reverse. It says a reversal plan. Also, if you check the USD card market, you can also see it. This is an exhaustive bar. This bar shows that the current trend has exhausted. There's a bullish, it shows this bar, then a bearish, then before the market came back. Now, when the market came back, it also showed this exhaustive bar again, once again here. Then before the market went up again. So that's a signal of an exhaustive bar. That the current trade has exhausted and there's likely to be a change of trend. Okay, so if the market shows us that on this market, this Euro Aussie, the market shows us here, then I'm more likely to sell downward. Real sell downward, because here is a very strong price event area. So that's it. Those are the three markets, major market I'm taking a look at. For Aussie USD, the market still looks so unclear to me. Yeah, market still looks so unclear to me. But if the market can give us a bullish buy signal, may buy upward, but it's still looking so unclear to me. So for now, I'm still staying off chart for the Aussie USD market. Staying off chart for it. So that's for the Euro Aussie, for the USD card, for the USDJPY and the CHFJPY. Yeah. So those are the analysis I have. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you always want to get this analysis at the end of the week, please kindly subscribe to this channel. If you feel what I've just said is useful, please kindly like this video and share it with some of your other traders. And if you have any question in mind, please kindly drop it in the comments box. I'll be ready and willing to reply to your message. So I wish you a successful trading week. Bye.